Why hello there, we're back again with another unboxing video. What am I unboxing today? Well, obviously it's from amiami.com because that's where I get all of my Japanese figures, because one, quality, and they ship well and no complaints at all. Amiami, so far I haven't had one mess up and I've ordered from them multiple times. But what am I unboxing? I am unboxing a Holo figure. Holo from Spice and Wolf, which is a light novel, manga, and anime series. Now the anime series ended at season 2 and the light novels continue on. I would never suggest reading the manga. Anyway, let's just get into this. It's hot in my room and I can't. So it looks like today amiami has blessed us with the beach episode little card thing that I love keeping these. I have a whole bunch of them on my wall as decoration, so kind of nice. But as you see, I only ripped off the top because y'all don't need to stalk me like that. So we're about to see what it looks like. This will be very interesting and I am very excited. I believe this is actually the exclusive edition too. Oh, yes it is. Okay, we'll put the figure to the side for now. But it looks like they gave me a little poster thing. I thought it was going to be a wall scroll, to be honest, but I'm not mad at this because I don't really know where I would have put that wall scroll. Alright, so I got this picture thing that has wrapping on it. And this is the figure, what the figure is going to look like. So it stands up like this. Very interesting. I like it. It's very loud, but I do like it. Looks really cute. Anyway, let's get to the meat and bones of this video. Let's open the figure. Gotta love amiami because they know how to pack their stuff right. And whatcha? There it is. And it is all in Japanese. But it is by the company Revolve. I love the company Revolve. They take a very good approach to painting. I have my most notable figures, Rem and Ram. I just got them somewhat recently. But the detail on them is amazing, so I'm excited to take Holo out of the box and see how amazing she is. Just the way they paint and just, oh, I'm excited. Top of the box, little clear thing, whoop-de-woo. Got Holo on the side. This is their inspiration, which is kind of cool because I actually have this now as well. And a little grass, I guess, under her feet. Do a little backy, you know, gotta look back at it. And I'm very excited. Alright, they give you a little caution slip. Whoop-de-whoop. Alright, so we got her pretty encased very nicely. Got a few more pieces of tape to get through. So this is her. She has her little beer mug because well, if you know Holo, you know she loves her beer. But wow, look at that. It's really cool how they did her tail. Got her a little cute head and her hair looks amazing. Look at that smile. Or if you can. I'll do better pictures at the end for you. For the people that are just Ludus, there's her underside. She has panties on, so That's interesting, because I see Holo as never wearing panties, to be honest. But yeah, and she got her little like foot thingy. Then for the stand, you just got a little basic grass stand, or grass stand. A little poke a foot through it. And there she is. And we'll do some zoom in pictures because this isn't a good angle. Alright, so that is my unboxing. I literally have nothing to say. It is just perfect, to be honest. There's no complaints here. She is beautiful. Everything is taken into consideration. Everything's painted beautifully. There's not one imperfection I see, and it's amazing. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Literally, my only complaint about this was the release date was moved a couple times, but honestly, they were probably just perfecting this, so I guess I gotta take that back. Anyways, bye.